Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on adding tags to your Squarespace website. Tags help improve your website's search engine optimization, and we usually call it SEO, even in Squarespace. So let's just get started. First of all, what you need to do is go to your squarespace.com. There, you don't need to sign up or log in to your account. What you can do is you can go to your Google account, or you can also use your email or password to sign up using it. So this is the dashboard or the home screen that is going to appear. So if you are a newbie, then this is the type of the dashboard that is going to appear. You see, I have no websites that I have already created. But if you are a professional user and you are already familiar with Squarespace, then this is the site where all your websites are going to appear. Since this video is actually about how you are going to add tags, so most likely you must be familiar with how we create the website. But even if you have no idea, then we are going to start from the scratch. You see, there's an option of create website. I am going to click on it. And now they're going to ask you that what's your site about. You're going to tell, you see there's so many options, or you can also click on search button to find one. Let's just say photography, design, education, consulting, arts, health, marketing, technology, construction, apparel, music, real estate, beauty, traveling, weddings. There are so many options. Let's just say right now I am looking for marketing. So I am going to choose marketing and click on next. Now, the second step is, what do you want to do with your website? So either you want to sell your products, because tags are mostly used for the stuff like invoices and products, organizations. So let's just say I'm choosing sell products, sell on-demand videos, sell online courses, or to showcase my work experience, get appointments. Now, according to the questions that you have answered, it is going to decide your template. So either you can build a template using AI, or you can also choose a template. If you want to start something from the scratch by answering simple questions, you're going to get a whole new template. But if you are not into that and you are looking for the ideas provided by Squarespace, then this is the best site for you. So now you see I'm going to open one of these templates. What you're going to do is go to start with design, because if you want to make some more changes, you can simply do that. But if you are into this, you can also edit it when the next page appears. Let me show you guys. You can also edit it from here. You can change the colors. There are so many options. Best thing about Squarespace, as I always say, is that Squarespace, no matter how much time it takes to load, but it has so many options, and with each option, you see all of them are secure, and that is why you can use them. Here, you see I am going to my edit side, or what you can do is also go directly to your products and services. Let me just show you my site, and after that, this is my site. If you have anything that you're looking for, you can simply go click on edit, or if you don't have anything to edit, which I most probably think you must have something to edit because you're looking forward to that. So if you don't have any, you're simply going to go to these products and services. You are going to click on this. Here, you see there are all the products and services. You can also go create this one, or you see this the gear option. You can go to the settings. You see this is what it's going to look. Here, I am going to go to the products in products and services, and more precisely, you see I have nothing over here, and I have 0 services that I have provided. I have 0 downloads. I have 0 gift cards, or I don't have anything right now because this is the new account. So what I'm going to do is add the physical product. It might take a while to load. This is the main navigating system. Okay, I am going to write here, let's just say ABC, or you can write whatever. You can also add a picture or upload it from your computer. Now you're going to set the price. Let's just say it's $2. And the stock is infinity or unlimited stock if I turn it off. Let me just enter this. Now you get to decide whether do you want the stock to be unlimited and keep it to infinity, or you are going to set it to 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. Now we're going to add more details. Now this is the point where you will get a chance to add the tags to your website. How you're going to do that? You see there are so many options here. You are going to go to the organization. You're going to click on it, and if you scroll down, here you see the options of adding tags. Here, you need to add any keywords that is related to your product, or tags will not be shown in your store. So let's just say I am going to add tag number 1 over here. Tag 1. Click and enter. You can add as many tags as you want. You are going to add them obviously according to your product, the type of the product that you're using. So you see the tags are basically the keywords or the phrases that help to categorize and describe your content. You know, they're assisting search engines. They're helping you understand your website structure and the content of your website. So this is how you're going to add tags to your blog post, to navigate the blog post settings and go there, and this is how easy it is to save it and add the tags to your products. You know, they are significantly impactful as the website's SEO. You know, the tags help search engines understand your content and to improve the visibility of your website. Now, this is what you're going to do. If you still feel like this is the draft that you're creating, you see there's so many other features as well, you're going to go to the delete and simply delete it. But if you think that you like the one you're selected, so you're simply going to click on save. To get the most out of the tags, it is crucial to follow the best practices. So, you know, this would be easy for you to get the relevant tags, to avoid the over tagging, and use the tags that are consistently across your website. You try to use the keywords that are related to your product, or, you know, whatever you're using, you are going to relate them with one another so that it will be easy for the customers to see it when they come across your website. So, that is it for today's tutorial on adding tags to your Squarespace website. I hope you found this helpful in understanding how to use the tags effectively. Tags are very powerful tools for improving your website's SEO and for the new experience, I would say. So yeah, I hope I have given you the detailed view on how to create the site and then add tags to your products. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.